In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Dropbox using File Explorer. Whether you're organizing your personal documents, sorting work files, or just want to tidy up your Dropbox space, learning how to do this efficiently can save you quite a bit of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, we need to open File Explorer. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the E key on your keyboard simultaneously. This nifty shortcut is especially helpful for getting you straight into File Explorer without having to navigate through multiple menus. Once you're inside File Explorer, have a look at the left sidebar. You're going to see a range of different locations listed here, like this PC, network, and so forth. Among them, you should find Dropbox listed. Clicking on Dropbox in this sidebar will open up its contents for you to see, and this is where you'll be creating your new folder. With Dropbox open in your File Explorer window, find an empty space within this Dropbox area. Hover over this space with your cursor and right-click. This action will bring up a context menu filled with options. From the menu that pops up, move your cursor over the new option. A secondary menu will appear, expanding your choices. From here, you can go ahead and click on Folder. This step sets up the framework for your new folder. Now, you'll see a new folder icon appear, ready to be named. This is your opportunity to label it in a way that makes sense for your organization system. Consider what kinds of files or documents you'll be placing inside, whether they're photos, reports, or something else entirely, and come up with a clear, descriptive name. Once you've typed out the name you want, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This will save the new name and complete the folder creation process. And there you have it. You've just created a new folder in Dropbox using File Explorer. This is a fundamental task that, once mastered, can help streamline the organization of your files. If you need to make more folders, feel free to repeat these steps. And remember, organizing your digital space can make a world of difference in how easily you access and manage your files. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.